welcome back. I'm Cali, aka the Anime Gamer, and we're here to pick a winner. And for the sassy giveaway, where you had to say sassy in a sentence. Okay, for the June My Paper Box giveaway. Okay, and the winner is congratulations to Jean! Thank you all for entering the giveaway, watching the video, and commenting the nice things. I really appreciate it. So yeah, congratulations to the winner! So yes, again, I want to thank all of you for entering. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!